Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to save images from Teams chat. So to start, open Microsoft Teams and then open a conversation. So to open a conversation or to open the chat conversation, so once you open a conversation, so look for the image or the images that you want to save. So for example, this one, I open this group right here. Then I want to save this picture right here, for example. So I can click on that. Then from here, at the top right, you should see an arrow that says download. So click on that to download the image. And as you can see, it's now downloaded. So let's click open file to see the file. And that's it. Now, another thing you can do is to go back. And then from here, you can just right click and click on download. And as you can see, it's now downloaded. So just click on open file and you should see the file or the screenshot or the image. So let's look for another image in here to show you another example. So this one, for example, I want to save this one. I can click on it and click the download button at the top right, or I can just right click on it. So let's go back and right click on it and click on download. You can also click copy image. So click copy image and you can paste that anywhere you want, like in Messenger, Instagram, email, etc. And that's basically it. That's how you can save images from Teams chat. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.